Hi everyone! In this video, I will guide you on how to use the MKT Maps software. This software will help us compile potential customer data from Google Maps. As you know, businesses really want to appear prominently on Google Maps, and that is our goldmine of customer data. You can choose to scan by keywords, by any location. We just need to enter the keyword and the location we want to scan. For example, if we want to scan for spas, we want to scan for hair salons, nail salons, to provide cosmetic products, to provide products related to various items in those places, for example. Another special thing is that for these maps, the phone numbers displayed are mostly those of the owners. These are important people who have higher decision-making power in businesses, which are the locations. You also need to understand, especially, that the density of the map is very high. There are many businesses in that area. Around one area, there will be many industries, many areas that we can exploit. So with this implementation, with this very simple interface, you just need to enter the keyword and the location. For example, I will enter a keyword like late night restaurant. Okay, and I'll enter the location as Hue City. Currently, I'm in Hanoi. I can scan any location. There, Hue City. Like that, for example. Then I'll click Start. First, it will identify that location, identify the location we are scanning. Then it will start entering keywords. Any map that has a phone number, it will display it. It will be displayed here. There, lots of data. We've already obtained over 100 data entries. After scanning, once all the data has been scanned, it will automatically close. There,